Okay, we are back, and we are going to look at another example. The other one is x plus 2y plus 2y minus 3z equals 0. Then the other one is 3x plus 3y minus z equals 5. Then the other one is x minus 2y plus 2z must give us 1. So those are the two equations, the three equations which you are going to solve using the row reduction to echelon form. So we say the first step is to write them in form of matrix. So this one we say it is 1, 2, negative 3. Then the other one is 3, 3, negative 1. Then 1, negative 2, and the 2. So we multiply by the x, y, and z must give us 0, 5, 1. So we see how we can do this one. So we say we write them in terms of the argumentative form. So which is 1, 2, negative 3, then is 0. So this one is 3, then is 3, negative 1, negative 4. This one is 5. So it's 1, negative 2, 2 is a 1. So now this one becomes it is, we said this one, we call it R1, R2, R3. So we begin. This one is already in terms of 1, so we have to make this one in terms of 0 and this one in terms of 1. So we begin, we say that for the first one, R1 must be the same as R1 prime. So for this case is 1, 2, negative 3, then with a 0. Then for here, for the second one, we said we have to use elimination. So by multiplying this one by 3, this one by 1, so you have that R2 minus 3 R1 give us R1, give us R2 prime. So for that case, it will be 0 when subtracted this one minus this 0. So 3 minus 6 becomes negative 3. Then this one is negative 1, then plus 9. Negative 1 plus 9, you get 8. Negative 1 plus 9, that is 8. Then we continue. Negative 1 plus 9, which is 8. Okay? So now we are here on this one, which is 5 minus a 0, which becomes to be a 5. So we're going the last one, which is this one, which is the R3. So this one is in terms of 1. So also this one is in terms of 1. So you just subtract the 2, since all of them are the same. So you see here R3 minus R2. No, it is R1 must give us R3 prime. So here it becomes 0 when you subtract the 2. So when you say negative 2 minus that, which is negative 4, we are here, that is 2 plus a 3, which becomes to be a 5. So now here it is 1 minus a 0 becomes 1. So that is it, what we have to do on this one. That is what you have to do on this. So this is the R2, which is 3 minus the 6. 3 minus the 6, you get that. Then this one is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 9. Negative 1 minus negative 9, which is okay. So this is the R1 prime, R2 prime, and RC prime. So also this one, take it to the other term, which is R1 prime prime, R2 prime prime. So here we said this R1 is same as R1 prime prime, same as R1 prime prime. So also this one, that R2 prime the same as R2 prime prime, also goes this side. That we also apply the elimination method on this one. So this one becomes 4. So we multiply this one by 4, this one by 3. 4 R2 prime minus 3 R3 prime must give us R3 prime prime. So now for this case, we say here it is 1, 2, negative 3 with a 0. Then here is 0, that is 3, negative. Then here is 8, here it is 5. So we have something like that. Then for this one, it becomes to be a 12 minus 12, which is 0, 0. So here, we are here, this is 5. Now for that case, this one will be 4. 4 times that one, which is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. So we are here, which is 3 times a 5. 3 times 5, here you get, that is minus 15. So as at 2 minus 15, you get 17. So it becomes 17 as the answer. So now we on this one that you say 4 times 5, that is 20. It becomes 20. Then 3 times this, that is minus 3. So it becomes also 17. So for that case, we said this one must be also in terms of 1. So we said you come here, you say it is 1, 2, negative 3, 0, this is 0, that is the negative 3, 8, this one is 5, then is 5, yes, is 5, then also this one is 0, 0, 17, then here 17. So when we have something like this, we say we make this one in terms of 1, if these ones are in 0 form. So here what we shall have, it will be 1. This one is already in terms of 1, 2, negative 3, 0. Then this one becomes 0. When divide this one by a negative 3, divide by negative 3 all through, it becomes 1. Then here, negative 8 out of 3. Then here it becomes negative 5 out of 3. Negative 5 out of 3. So when we come this side, it is 0, 0. So here we divide by the 17, get 1, and here also get 1. So it is, we are following the rule of the other thing which we said. So now for that case, we said after writing it in this form, you have now to go back, writing it in a vector form. And from there get the values of x, y, and z. Now for that case, we said it is, you get the one which is there, which is 1, 2, negative 3. This is 0, 1, negative 8 out of 3. This is 0, 0, 1. So multiply it with x, y, and z. So this one must give us 0, negative 5 out of 3, then 1. So we apply now a row by column. So it becomes this one times this, which is x, and this time this, which is plus 2y, then minus 3, z equals 0 as the equation A. Then also we are getting this one, which is 0, 0 times this, which is 0, then this times this, which is y, plus this times this, which is negative 8 out of 3, negative 8 out of 3, z equals negative 5 out of 3. So after getting that one, call it equation B. Then from there, now continue with this. This time this, you get a 0. This time this, that is a 0. Then this time this, you get a z. So z will be equal to this one, this side. So it becomes z equals 1. So now after getting that z, substitute in B, get the one of y. So we are substituting in B. So we say the y equals, you can take this one, this side, which is negative 5 out of 3, and negative 5 out of 3. Oh, yeah, negative 5 out of 3. Then minus, it is plus 8 out of 3, z. So you put in the value of z, which is negative 5 out of 3, plus 8 out of 3. So when you add these ones, you find that you get something like a 3. So since they have the same denominators, just add the numerators. So this one becomes 3 out of 3, which will give us 1. So now from there also substitute in the equation A, get the value of x. So x will be this one, when you take it the other side, to be 3z minus 2y. When you put in the values of x and of z and y, we shall have that x equals 3 minus 2. So x becomes 1 as the answer. So that is it.